Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the program button on your Kwikset Lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by standing on the inside of the door where the battery compartment is located. Now on most of the Kwikset electronic locks, the program button is not on the keypad side. Instead, it is hidden behind the interior battery cover where the lock's electronics are located. So you just have to simply slide off the battery cover on the interior assembly, and once the back cover is removed, you are going to see the battery pack along with this type of small program button. So sometimes it will be with the name P letter, but sometimes you will see a small dot in the middle. So you just have to simply use this particular program button in order to add the new user, in order to reset your lock, or in order to basically manage your lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.